Hey, hi, how's it going? I'm Adam here from Spanglish Academy, and today what we're going to be doing is looking at the present simple. So, first of all, I'm going to start with the formation of positive and negative sentences. Let's start with positive sentences. We start with a subject or pronoun plus a verb followed by an object. For example, I like tea. If our subject or pronoun is the singular third person, such as he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb. For example, she likes tea. Now let's look at the negative. It's similar to the positive formation. However, we add don't or doesn't before the verb. We don't add an S to the verb in negative sentences because we have the S in doesn't. For example, you don't like tea, or he doesn't like tea. Okay, so how do we ask and answer questions in the present simple tense? To form a question, we use the auxiliary verb do or does for he, she, and it, followed by the subject or pronoun, the verb, and then the object. For example, do they like tea? Or does he like tea? We can answer these questions with yes or no. Yes plus subject or pronoun and do, and no plus subject or pronoun and don't. So, do you like tea? Yes, I do. Does he like tea? No, he doesn't. There are five main uses of the present simple that we're going to speak about. Use number one is for facts and general truths. For example, London is a large city. Water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth revolves around the sun. These are things that are always true and never change. Therefore, we use the present simple tense. We also use the present simple tense to speak about habits and routines. For example, he drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They sometimes watch television. These are things that people do on a regular basis, and therefore we use the present simple tense. This third use is very similar to routines, and we use them for repeated actions and events. For example, we catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in summer. Or they drive to Monaco every June. The next use of the present simple tense is for instructions and directions. For example, instructions that you see on a packet of food. Open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. Or directions to arrive somewhere. For example, you take the number 6 bus to Watney and then the number 10 to Bedford. The last main use for the present simple tense is for timetables and fixed arrangements. For example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. tomorrow. This is a future situation. However, because it's a timetable, we use the present simple tense. Also, his mother arrives in a couple of days, or our holiday starts on the 26th of March. These are fixed arrangements in the future, and therefore we also use the present simple tense. Thank you for everyone for watching this video. I hope you understood and learnt a lot. Like and subscribe to watch more videos in this grammar series. Thanks. Bye for now.